Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now just click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!